Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make a potato taco. This is a great way to use up some leftover mashed potatoes and make a great taco for breakfast. We're going to start by laying out a corn tortilla and then taking our leftover mashed potatoes and spreading it over one half. Then we'll throw on a little bit of cheddar cheese and some green onion. We'll fold the other half of the corn tortilla over and then transfer it to our pan. We're going to fry it in a little bit of oil for a few minutes on each side to crisp up the tortilla. Once it's crisp, it's ready to serve. And there you have it, how to make a potato taco.